Okay, guys, we have a vehicle accident at 10th Street and Yucaipa Boulevard. Looks like a pretty serious one. Every time it rains, right on cue. Okay, so we hit the button to cross. We're going to wait till the light turns on us, until we get a walk signal. But the police are getting statements and stuff right now. We don't have a walk signal, so let me walk over and push this one too, so we can get it changed. But they have it blocked off, so I should just cross. But knowing these guys, man, you know how it is. Oh, you didn't have a cross signal. I should go anyway. It's green. So, but this is the accident here. So now I wonder if they have the lights affixed so nobody can get through here. Oh, no, there we go. It's changing. Okay. So when it goes green again, I'm going to get a walk signal. I'm going to cross for you guys here at Yucaipa and 10th. See if I get run over trying to cross. And you got cars coming through right here. Yeah, every time it rains, man, just like clockwork. And I just filled up the office, my YouTube office, so to speak. So we're waiting on this light to change. And here it goes. It's going to change and I'm going to cross. So it looks like she's able to drive away. This one here, oh, he's... So they're doing a... They're doing statements here. So he told her to pull her car over here into the car wash. He's getting everything out of the car. So I'm over here in the car wash. But hang with me. We're going to get up on the sidewalk here. I'm going to get the front of the cars for you. We have an automatic car wash. If you have to get your vehicle cleaned, this is the one to do it at, right here at 10th and Yucaipa Boulevard. And here we are on the other side of the accidents where the actual vehicles collided. It appears someone may have been going through the light and someone may have been turning left. So, there you go. So we have a Honda. And that looks like it might be a Toyota over there, or maybe a Corolla. And that is a lot of car laying right there. The police are on scene right now working the accident. We have 2 marked police units out here working the accident. Citizens Patrol is up here. They've closed off the road over here. So then they're getting stuff out of the trunk over there. This car is really jacked. So I'm not going to get the people on the sidewalk over here. One of them looks like a little girl. So might be a grown woman, but she looks like a little girl. So I'm not going to, don't need to record them anyway. But there are the vehicles. There's the accident. It looks like 3 vehicles were involved as well, because you got this one also. So it looks like there may have been 3 vehicles, unless he just stopped to hit his 4-ways or her 4-ways so that everybody would stop. That's kind of what it might look like there. But the deputies are out here working the accident, taking pictures. It's going to have to find who's at fault and do the insurance claims and all that. But they're taking statements from people what happened. It just flipped that one completely around, didn't it? Yeah, it starts raining and people start driving cray-cray. And I almost got clipped too because I was driving up the boulevard and I was in this lane right here down there, and somebody in the middle lane decided, oh, I have to get over to the right. So they hit their turn signal and started getting over, and I was right there. So I took my foot off the gas and I just flashed my flat headlights, let them over, but they started getting over. I'm like, dude, I'm right next to you, man. You're going to sit in my lap? So yeah, we get a little rain and people, they drive crazy anyway in this city. But when it rains, man, it gets worse. I'm telling you. So I think I've seen that deputy before, but I'm not sure. But with his flashlight, we can see the damage and stuff. So I think he's going to have him pull it out of the roadway. I think that's why his flashlight came in this direction, because the cop told him, I think, pull it up there. And he flashed his flashlight up here. So he's going to be pulling that car up here, pull it out of the roadway so the tow truck can get in and get that one and then get this one. This one's going to have to be towed too. But at least if he pulls it forward. Yeah, I unplugged the mics. You guys could hear the crunching and stuff. And then it stopped. He was already over all of the stuff. So. Oh, yeah, that's not good. That's not good at all. Yeah, they don't seem too happy to have me out here. Not too happy. They're like, oh, shit, Jimmy's here. God dang it. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and take off. There we go. We'll go back by the cop cars here and on our way back to the helipad. And Citizens Patrol over here, they've closed off 10th Street at the boulevard completely. Somebody's enjoying some music. There we go. Thanks, guys, for watching. Community Leo Watch is here. I was getting ready to cross, but I guess I'm too late. I'll wait. Yeah, because the minute I cross, they're going to come, okay, you come here, man. You didn't have a white hand signal and you crossed. What the fuck is this dude doing? There's the other side of the car there. The airbags were deployed, as you can see. And here we go. All right, guys, that's going to be it for now. Thanks for watching.